as you guys saw in the last vlog, we're on our way to break some records, hopefully. Imran's gonna try to run a faster time in Mexico, so we're headed there now. Let's see how it goes. You know, got all the boys with us scattered around. We're all gonna pull up and witness probably history being made. Who knows? It is history being made, okay? I don't care what anyone says. And everyone's like, oh, it's the McLaren 765 is the quickest car in India. No, it's not. It's the most expensive probably, but it's not the quickest. This is the quickest and the fastest car. So we're gonna go set things straight. Go ahead and put on the draggy leaderboards. Hopefully it doesn't, man. Fingers crossed. Okay, so there's a jam now randomly in the middle of the highway. This isn't a
expressway.
Middle of the expressway. This is not even a ghat or anything. Like no climbs or nothing. Like there's a legit jam.
Plateau. Jam on a plateau. At 1:30 in the night.
Whatever you said, I guess.
At the plateau.
Why do you have
Ups
to
and
be?
downs.
Why? Oh, like a plateau. Okay. Yeah, but why like mention that?
I don't know. Just
Get all technical and shit. But anyways, yeah, there's a traffic jam. We're stuck, and hope everyone's okay because this is a very odd spot to have traffic. Very, very odd spot. I was doing like the speed limit, which is about 100, and sudden brake ahead and sudden stop. So hope everyone's okay. Trucks, gang. They're probably going to a Bolero meet. So right now we just went home. I just went home, parked the M3 up, and we got in the LX, parked in the M3, and get in the something a little more comfier. Probably going to be a long night. So yeah, we actually were leaving my house, and then Imran called and said that he might not do the run. And then because the weather is actually hot. How hot does it say it over there?
30.
He says it's 30 degrees, which is pretty hot to do any runs, especially in Mexico. So let's just do a run and do some data logging. If there's any changes required, they'll get it tuned and do another run tomorrow or something. I don't know. Of course, you're gonna see it here first. So yeah, let's hope the best. Let's see if he breaks his record. Boys are here. Let's go.
The longest record, 1 month.
Yeah.
Feels like a month.
When he went,
How long
I
have you
was
been
all
standing
shaved.
here?
Huh?
This is called draggy.
Draggy's
Taking a
first
phone
record.
kiya, that time till here.
So we're out here, just gonna do a little driver's briefing. Looks like he got it, folks. I think he got the record. All thumbs up from Imran. And so, how did that go?
Amazing.
What do we got?
9.4.
9.4, okay.
Not bad. Let's
Not
at least
bad.
hit the charts today. Come on.
Let's do it.
That's the one I wanted.
Number one, let's go. Let's go. So, as you can see, he is the fastest car officially in India on Draghi and officially as well. So, he did a 9.3, which is probably his fastest time, but Draghi said it was invalid because it was a slight decline or slope. They didn't count it and it was invalid. But he did get one good run in, which is 9.45, which he actually did before at the track. Today's really hot. How hot is it right now?
It says 30 degrees still.
It says 30 degrees, so ideally like 19 to 20 degrees. Under 25 is your good. 23 is decent, you know, but 30 is pretty hot. So, and plus the air's so thick right now, it's humid as hell. And yeah, he still did it.
The next day.
Today, we're headed out to the Fast and the Furious premiere. It was yesterday as well at the Underground event. We thought we'll just watch it in Mumbai. Of course, we're gonna watch it again because we're watching it in the open drive-through cinema, so it's not gonna be the best experience. We're headed there now. We're in the VRS. Let's see how it goes. So we're just pulling up, kind of late, but there's a lot of traffic. There's nothing you can do. We're literally right there. You just have to make a right turn. The mall's literally right there. We're not even like half a kilometer far. Yeah, traffic. In Mumbai, it takes like 10 minutes to go 1 kilometer. How about Hyderabad? Every time we had to go anywhere, it would say 25 minutes, 25 kilometers.
So,
In Mumbai, it would be great if they had an ORR, but now they're gonna have a coastal road, so hopefully that helps out a lot and reduces the traffic. That's our boy on top. In his X3 competition with all that noise. Remus exhaust. For once, I'm the quiet one. We're here now. Pulled up finally. Whoa, look at this lineup of cars. Don't run me over, bro. What's up?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, I'm good.
Very barking. My darling, my love, how are you?
My brother, you gotta park with eyes.
what's up?
Welcome to Horsepower Cartel, Modern Classics and Kickshift.
Sadab.
Victor, shut up. Some sick cars, all different varieties. What do you think, Manu? What's your favorite car here?
I think my favorite car is the Lotus somewhere there. Let's steal it.
We can actually pick it up.
Yeah. Well, chalo, let's
A
go.
lot of different cars. And the movie's going to start soon in an hour. Luckily the weather is pleasant, so yeah, you even got Keki over here. Okay, that's not Keki according to him. But yeah. Alright guys, so we got done the fastX event. We didn't stay for the full movie because I want to watch it in theater anyways. So we stayed right before intermission we left. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. Big shout out to Jeet Imran putting this together, whole team kick shift and Tabashri Racing. Yeah, man, it was a good time, good turnout, great cars, some really nice curated cars that they chose for this event. Yeah, man, definitely trying to put India on the map when it comes to the car scene. So like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you guys soon.